So this AC circuit, today we will start AC circuit, and AC circuit is also called as alternating current. Alternating current. Okay. So what you have to do in this 1 minute. So this definition of alternating current is an alternating current alternating quantity changes continuously. Okay, like we have studied DC circuit. So here voltage and current will be constant. Okay, with the time. This is time considered, and this is the voltage. Yeah, maybe the current also with the time. Okay, current, this will be the constant. Okay, that's why called as DC is a constant current. We cannot increase or decrease the voltage of the current of the DC current. But alternating current is sinusoidal forms, sine wave forms. Okay, it continuously changes from positive to negative, negative to positive, and so on in the sine wave form. Okay, so you can write here alternating current quantity, alternating quantity changes continuously in magnitude and alternates in the direction at regular interval. Understood till here? So this is AC circuit means this quantity means current or voltage. Okay, with the time, this is t time. This is considered, I am writing for the current equation, I is keep changing every time. Okay, in the continuous waveform. Okay, also in the sine waveform. So here how much maximum it will go is positive is this much and negative is this much. Okay, so this is called as maximum Im, I maximum, peak value of current, and this is minus Im. Okay, time taken to complete one cycle is called as time period. Complete one cycle is completed over here, right? And this is the maximum is reaching at pi by 2. This is pi, and this one similarly this is 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi, and so on it will go. Okay, and this is the time. You also write omega t, frequency will change, then also this current value will change. So some definitions which is you have to explain here. Consider if given the definition for the amplitude. Amplitude means that peak values, maximum values. Okay, maximum value of alternating quantity. Okay, maximum value of alternating quantity. Okay, consider this is current graph is given, so maximum current is Im. If voltage is given, so sometimes Em they write, Vm they will write. This is for the voltage, EMF, and this is for the current. Okay, also called as amplitude is also called as peak current. Also called as maximum current. Amplitude. Any doubt till here? Can you hear me? So maximum current, peak current, amplitude, all are same, and this is the maximum value of any quantity, any alternating quantities. Any quantity means voltage graph is given, so maximum voltage called as. If a current graph is given, maximum current, like that. Okay. Next is here. Next you can define this T. T is called as time period. Time taken to complete one cycle is called as time period. Okay, so if voltage is completed in t in one cycle, then it's called as maximum. T is the quantity of voltage. Okay, and T is equal to, also I will write it here. T, first I will explain frequency. It is the number of cycles occur in the 1 second. Number of cycle occurs in 1 second is called as frequency. So F is equal to, write 1 by time period. Yeah, also F is equal to, formula is there. F is equal to 2 pi. Okay, sorry, omega is equal to 2 pi F. Okay, this omega is called as angular frequency. Okay, angular frequency this is. So F is equal to, if you substitute time period here, so omega is equal to, also write 2 pi by T. Getting till here? Another is called as instantaneous values. Instantaneous values of voltage or current is the particular at time t is equal to some second if given, then you have to substitute it. Okay, like any equation is given, so in variable of t, so t is equal to after 2 seconds how much current, yeah, t is equal to after 4 seconds how much current is there. You can find the particular values at t is equal to some particular time, then is said to be instantaneous value of current or voltage. Okay, so this is the value, this is the basic definitions of the all the alternating current. So now here, what is AC circuit is, consider if given here same, this is the graph is given for the voltage or current, anyone. Okay, you can write for the voltage, or t is called, this is omega t, and consider voltage I am taking, yeah, current, whatever you want you can take. That is same applicable for the current also, and same thing applicable for voltage also. Okay, so what I have taught so far, this time taken to complete one cycle is called as time period, here to here. This value is called as maximum current, yeah, peak current, represented as I, this voltage I have taken, so I have to write it Vm, yeah, Em. Okay, Em is peak voltage, yeah, maximum voltage, yeah, also called as amplitude. Now the equation of this voltage, equation E is equal to, you can write it here, this equation E is equal to Em sine of omega t. Okay, this is the equation of voltage. So I can write E is equal to Em sine of omega t. This is the equation of voltage, yeah, AC voltage. Okay, AC voltage in the sinusoidal form. Omega is equal to, already we know omega is equal to angular frequency 2 pi f. I will substitute it here. So E is equal to, I can write it here, Em sine of 2 pi f and t. This small t is time, and f is equal to, also we know that 1 by time period. This capital T is time period. Time period means time taken to complete one cycle, this one. So if I will substitute it here, so I can get it Em sine of 2 pi, as it is only f is 1 by t into a small t. Getting so till here in doubt? So this is the equation of voltage. Phase difference will be there, then also another formula will be there, but I will teach in later that phase difference is what and all. Okay, where E is called equation of the voltage, this Em is the peak values, this t is time period, and a small t is time in second. Okay, and same this all this which you are writing derivations here also applicable for the current. That time I can write I is equal to Im sine of omega t, and I is equal to, I can write Im sine of 2 pi, and f is equal to, I can write t, this one. Okay, same thing apply for the current also. No doubt till here? So sometime question comes here. Questions I is equal to given 141.34 something and sine 314 t. This one is given. And given here, find amplitude, frequency, time period, and instantaneous value of current at t is equal to some second will given, consider 0.1 second. So we will compare these equations to the equation of current in the AC circuit. Im sine of omega t, this one. So peak current, yeah, max amplitude, I can write this one is the amplitude, right? So I can write here amplitude is equal to 141.34. Okay, this one. Second is given frequency. So we know that this value is what? Omega, right? Omega is equal to, I can write 314. So 2 pi f is equal to 314. So f is equal to 314 time divided by 2 into 3.14 you can write, which you will get it 50 hertz. Frequency of unit is hertz, you have studied in the lower classes, right? So third one, time period. So frequency we got it, then time is equal to period, you can write 1 by f, 1 by 50, which is 0.02, right? Pi by 100. Okay, 0.02. And fourth one, instantaneous value of current is given. So you can put these t values in this equation. So I is equal to write here 141.34 sine of 314 times this 0.1. You can write in this one in the radian because angle is not given here. So this sine is what in the form of radian. You can find in the calculator and you can get the answer. Any doubt till here? So also maybe same questions may come in the form of voltage also. 121.3, something, anything, sine of 500 t, something like that. So you can compare, this is your amplitude Em, and omega is equal to 500 and 2 pi f is equal to 500. So you can find the frequency and everything, you can find it. Not getting, then you voice so any doubt is there, then you will tell me. Okay, next is RMS value of current, root mean square. RMS is called as root mean square. This is also called as, sometimes comes in the derivations, effective value of current. Effective value of current, yeah, RMS value of current. Okay, I will define it here. RMS value of an alternating current is that steady current also called as DC current, okay, which when following through a given resistance for a given time produced. Okay, given time produces the same amount of heat produced by the alternating current following through same resistance for the same time. Getting here? So what is mean by actually is this effective value of current. This is absolute value of current. Like AC circuit, we know that the current will be go positive also and negative also. Okay, and DC circuit, what? Only current will follow in the constant rate, right? Constant. The voltage or current will be the constant always with the time. Here it will go positive and negative in the continuous fashion. So what is the RMS values? That absolute value of current you are finding, means consider this voltage or current if you apply in the DC circuit, so how much heat will generate, that we are calculating in the AC circuit. What it mean here, I will tell you the clearly. Consider this is AC circuit, right? Here voltage or current, anything I will take. Consider current I am taking here. So this is 5 ampere. This will be minus 5 ampere, right? Here we cannot find the absolute value. So what I will do it here, I will square it both. So 5 square become 25, and this also become what? 5 square is 25. So now I will take the square root of these values, then I will get the absolute value, because I did about a square and then a square root. So we will get the absolute value, yeah, magnitude values, right? That same thing equal to will be there in the DC circuit, but in the AC circuit positive and negative both is there. So we have to find the RMS values, and that values only will follow in the whole circuit. Getting here? What it mean where? So this one consider any circuit is there, like your at home fan, yeah, bulb. Okay, this bulb is there. Everywhere current what it's going here, that is going RMS current only. Okay, when the equation have you are writing I is equal to I is equal to anything, I is equal to Im sin omega t you are writing, that time only required maximum current. Okay, and in circuit whatever the current is given, now only keep in mind, because while solving the problems will confuse, so now only I am telling here. When equation is there only current is what? Maximum here, yeah, peak here. Normally in the circuit which current is following, actually is following what? RMS current. That is equivalent to the, if you apply in the DC circuit, means we are taking RMS value, means we are taking a square of current and then doing a square root. Okay, that is called as effective value of current, yeah, RMS value of current. No doubt till here? In doubt? So now here derivation is there for this RMS values. So I will take the same example here. You consider this is current here. Time taken to complete one cycle is called time period. This is all time period here, till here this one. And here this is current I equation. Now what I am doing here, a square I am doing it here. So this will be double. Yeah, you can write it here, a square only it will happen. This also will be positive, a square. Okay, so I can write this is also is what? I square equation. So what is the equation of current? This one equation I can write I is equal to Im sin of omega t, yeah, better you for the more easy simplification consider sin theta. If you want omega t also you can take, but for the easy simplification I take it as a theta. Okay, so this will be how much? I square is equal to Im square sin square theta, because this one square we did. So I RMS is equal to, yeah, root mean square value is equal to, formula is there, a square root of area of half cycle divided by base. Okay, so we will find the area of half cycle. Half cycle is till where to where? 0 to this pi, right? So we will cut the small strip. Consider this is a small strip, I cut it as d theta, and theoretical you can write it here, all the d theta as a small strip we have cut it here. So area of a small strip we can write here I square d theta, right? Okay, understood till here? So area of half cycle is equal to area of a small strip is equal to I square d theta. So area of half cycle, this I square d theta, I can integrate from 0 to pi, so I will get the area of this half, right, here to here. So I will substitute now, I will do it here. Area of half cycle is equal to 0 to pi I square d theta. So I square value I will put it here, 0 to pi, and I square from what is the value from this one, Im square sin square theta d theta. So Im square I can take outside, so you have to integrate this sin square theta from 0 to pi. So 0 to pi Im square by 2, as it is only this 0 to pi directly I cannot integrate sin square, so I will write in the form of 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, right, because we know that cos 2a is equal to 2 cos a square of a minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square a. So if we use this 2, so sin square a is equal to, right, 1 minus cos 2a by 2, right. So this 2 is outside because this is constant, and if we integrate here, so one integration is theta minus cos 2 theta integration is sin 2 theta by 2, and we will substitute 0 to pi. So I will get it here Im square by 2, and if you substitute it here pi here, so this will pi minus sin 2 pi is 0, upper minus lower if you put 0, so this is 0, and sin 0 also 0. So we got it how much? We got it here area of half cycle is equal to Im square by 2 and pi, right? This is pi minus 0 is pi, and this is 0, right? So if you put in this formula, the formula which I have written in the beginning, IRMS is equal to area of half cycle, we got it, and base is pi. This is the base. I will substitute it here, so I will get it here. IRMS is equal to square root of area of half cycle divided by base. So I will write it as square root of pi Im square by 2, and base is how much? Pi. This pi get cancelled. IRMS is equal to, we will get it Im by root 2. Okay, this one also correct. IRMS is equal to 0.707 Im. Okay, so IRMS is equal to 0.707 times peak values. Okay, so RMS value of current is equal to 0.707 times of peak value, maximum value of current. Getting here? So same thing apply for the voltage also. If you do the derivation, everywhere you have to write E square, right? Sometimes questions ask for the voltage only, so no need to confuse here. Same thing we apply the voltage. You should write here E square and Em sin square theta, and everything will go as it is only. This is Em square by 2, and finally we will get it here. Here I will write it. We will get E RMS is equal to, anything capital you want to capital write it, small E RMS is equal to Em by root 2. E RMS is equal to 0.707 En. This one will get it. Any doubt till here? Okay, so the next is average value of current. So the alternating quantity. Okay, alternating quantity of all values Okay, the mean is called as average value. Okay, the alternating average of all values of alternating quantity in over the one cycle is called as average value. So what it means here, if voltage quantity means if you're taking voltage, so you have to write EAV, average voltage. If you are taking current, then you have to write it here IAV. AV. So same thing for the current and voltage, you have derivation is there. We'll do the derivations, and we have done for the current, so we also here also we can do for the both. We'll do for the current. So this is time t and this is the current, and moving in the sinusoidal continuous form. So the formula is average value of current is equal to area of half cycle divided by base. Okay, there is no any square root, because that time RMS value are finding that that's why you have taken a square and a square root only. No, here nothing is like that. Here also have to not do any square and all. So what you have to do, area of half cycle means 0 to pi, have to find the area. So how will you find? We will take the small strip here, cut it with the, consider this is d theta. So I can write it here. I can write it here. Area of a small strip is equal to I into d theta. So area of half cycle is equal to how much? Area of half cycle is equal to how much? So, sorry. Integration from where to where? 0 to pi I d theta. So I can write it area of half cycle is equal to 0 to pi, and this I value is equal to what? Im sine of theta of omega t. Also if you want, then omega t you can write. For the integration easy, I will write just theta. So you can write here Im sine of theta d theta. So Im is outside, 0 to pi sine theta d theta. So Im and sine integration is minus cos theta. So cos theta and minus I will take outside here, 0 to pi. So minus Im, cos pi is minus 1, minus cos 0 is 1. So we will get it 2 Im, right? So this is the area of half cycle. So if we substitute in the formula means this formula, area of half cycle by base. So if we'll put it here, I can write I average is equal to area of half cycle divided by base. So 2 Im by pi, which will give here I average is equal to 0.637 Im. Okay, this is the average value. Similarly for the voltage, if you find, so voltage you can write E average is equal to 0.637 E of M. So E average is equal to 0.637 times of E of maximum. Okay, sir, some another that point, yeah, you can write here term is there that you will ask in the sometimes in the numericals while solving. Okay, called as form factor. Okay, so form factor is equal to the ratio of this f is called as form factor. Okay, the ratio of RMS values divided by average values. Okay, obviously here RMS value of current if you are taking, so here also you have to take current, and if you are taking voltage, then you have to take as a voltage. So that's why I didn't write whether the RMS value of current or voltage, whatever is given you can find it. Okay, the ratio of RMS value of alternating quantity versus average value of alternating quantity is called as form factor. Another is called as peak factor. also called as crest factor. This form factor is called to maximum values divided by RMS values. Okay, I will find the values also. Better consider you are finding for the current also. So RMS value of current is what? 0.707 IM, right? And average value is what? 0.637 IM. So this IM I will get cancelled here, right? So 0.707 means what? If we define it, if we calculate this one here, we will get it 1.11, and this is the constant. There is no any unit over here. Okay, this is the constant because unit current and current get cancelled only, no. So this is the constant. So you can write here the form factor is 1.11 for any quantity of RMS values, या voltage, या current. If you given, so if you find the form factor, always you will get it 1.11. Similarly, here maximum value is represented as IM, and the RMS is represented as 0.707 IM. So this one here, and 1 by 0.7, this is the root 2. So you will get it here 1 by 1.414. This is also is a constant. Getting till here in doubt? Okay, so this form factor and peak factor, keep in mind, sometimes questions it will come in the based on form factor and peak factor. Okay, till here and here, and this is very easy question. And the alternating current has peak values. Peak value means maximum value of RMS. So no, see directly peak value means what? Maximum value, just IM 1.41 with RMS have to not related with RMS. Okay, this maximum value, yeah, peak value, yeah, amplitude is called as IM only, no. So just write this 1.41 ampere, and its frequency is called to given 100 hertz. And the mathematical expressions, we know that I is equal to Im sine of omega t. So you don't have to compare with any RMS or average here, because Im already directly we know. I is equal to, I can write 1.41 sine of 2 pi f. Omega is 2 pi f. So 2 and pi is 3.14, and f is 100, and t as it is only. So I is equal to write 14.41 sine of this one, how much? 628, and this is 100, 628, okay, 628 t. This is the mathematical expression of the current. Okay, consider second question. If you given here, which one assignment I have already said, no, in that assignment I am doing it. So given here, the alternating voltage has amplitude is 100 volt. Amplitude means maximum value only, Im only, is given 100 volt, and given find RMS values. Second, they given find the average value, also no problem. RMS value is equal to, we know that RMS is equal to Im by root 2, yeah, 0.707 into Im, anything. Im already given 100 by root 2, you can find it. And second one, we know that I average is equal to how much? 0.637 times of Im. So 0.637 times of 100, you correct. Any doubt till here? So this is the basics question solved, but while solving the problems, this one sometimes expression they will give, sometimes directly the RMS values they will not mention which current is given, so you have to careful. Okay. In this question, AC's current has effective values is given. Effective value means so already we have discussed I RMS is equal to given how much? 200 ampere, and frequency already directly is given 25 hertz. Find its average values. How will you find? That also we know that the from the RMS you can find maximum current, and maximum current from you can find average current. Okay. Yeah, another water formula is said form factor and P factor. Form I discussed here now. Form factor is equal to what? RMS upon average. Okay, and that value always will be, I told, 1.11. Okay, so average, if you want to find it here, you can write it also RMS by 1.11, right? So you can write RMS is already given 200 by 1.11. This is the first method you can do it. Okay, second method, because anyways we have to find the IM, right? Because the expression we have to find IM. So IM, I can write it here, IRMS is equal to IM by root 2. IRMS already given how much? 200. Root 2 is equal to IM. So IM we got it how much? 200 root 2. You can calculate it and find it. So IM I got it here. So average I can find it. I average is equal to how much? 0.637 times of IM. So 0.637, and this is 200 root 2. You can multiply and you can write it. Right? Next is given here, write the expression for the current. So for the expression of the current, I required Im sine of omega t. Im already we find it here. We write 200 root 2 sine of 314 2 pi 2 into 3. Okay, I will write it down. I will write it. Okay. So I can write 200 root 2 sine of 2 pi f, 2 into 3.14 into 50 into t, as it is only, that become your expression of the current. Okay, so this is 25 is given, so you can find 25. Okay, any doubt in this? So this is how basic questions it will come.